వైఎస్ రాజశేఖర రెడ్డి, వైఎస్ జగన్ జీవితంలో జరిగిన సంఘటనల ఆధారంగా తెరకెక్కిన 'యాత్ర 2' ఫిబ్రవరి 8న రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది. ఈ సినిమాలో వైఎస్ భారతి పాత్రను పోషించిన కేతకి మనతో ఉన్నారు. ఆమెను అడిగి ఈ సినిమా విశేషాలను అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం. హాయ్ కేతకి.
హాయ్.
హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
వెరీ వెరీ గుడ్. హౌ ఆర్ యూ? బాగున్నారా?
బాగున్నాను. ఓకే. సో, ఈ మూవీలో వైఎస్ భారతి పాత్ర మీకు ఎలా వచ్చింది?
Bharati's character is I'm saying that she is an inspiration for all the women who wants to work, who wants to change their life, and at the same time she is a perfect mother, perfect wife. At the same time, she is a perfect businesswoman. So I think it's that inspiration for all the women. So you must go and watch it in theater.
What kind of preparation you did for the character?
I actually watched a lot of her videos, but I also got to know a lot about her from different people who are there, who are closer to the family. And also Mahi Garu, he gave me a lot of inputs that this character is just not a CM's wife, but she is his friend. She is his guide also in life. So you have to look at this character in that way. So and also I realized that it's a very emotional journey for Bharati as well as much as it is for Jagan Garu. And whenever I used to wear the costume, I used to feel something in my core. uh, I don't know, I mean, I can't explain it as an actor. I mean, I was getting something, some feeling that I am her now. And whenever I was walking to the set, I knew that I am her right now.
Did you speak to Bharti or did you meet Bharti garu?
No, we didn't want it to disturb them in their life because it's a creative process. We didn't want it to disturb them in their life because it's a creative process. But I would love to meet her once in a life and just kiss her hands.
What kind of emotion gone through this character? What are the you emotionally connected to the character?
I feel like it's, even if it's a story of a father and son, I also feel that it's a story of all of us. Like the kind of connection we have with our father. Like for example, in my case, we were doing one scene in a car, and in that car, Jiva is talking about father and the story about that car. So I went into my memory lane where my father used to drop me at school on his MAT, and now I grew up, and my father has become old, and then it becomes like that moment was very special. So
Before Yatra 2, did you aware of YS Jagan or YSR?
I was aware of them as a CM, but I didn't know the entire story. I knew about Rajshekharan Reddy Garu as well, uh, but I never went and looked for their story. But when I got this film, I definitely did my research.
Are you have you got any offers from after Yatra 2 in Telugu?
That you will get to know very soon.
Okay. Good luck. Good luck.
Thank you so much.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఇది వైఎస్ భారతి పాత్ర చేసిన కేతకి నారాయణ్ చెప్పిన విషయాలు. కెమెరామెన్ రామకృష్ణతో రాజబాబు, ఫిల్మ్ బీట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.